advocacy, a powerful tool for change in IELTS vocabulary. Imagine a world where your voice can shape policies, defend rights, and create meaningful change. This is the power of advocacy. Today, we're exploring this impactful word that's crucial for achieving a high band score in your IELTS exam. Word type. Advocacy is a noun, meaning advocacy refers to the act of publicly supporting or recommending a particular cause or policy. It involves speaking up, taking action, or arguing in favor of something you believe in. Word history. The term advocacy originates from the Latin word advocatus, meaning one called to aid. It entered the English language in the 14th century, initially referring to the legal profession but later broadening to encompass support for various causes. Antonyms. Some antonyms for advocacy include opposition, criticism, and detraction. While advocacy involves supporting a cause, these words represent the act of standing against or undermining it. Synonyms. To expand your vocabulary, consider these synonyms for advocacy: championing, promotion, endorsement, and support. Each of these words carries a similar connotation of actively backing a cause or idea. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use advocacy in different contexts. Environmental groups engage in advocacy to protect endangered species and combat climate change. Her tireless advocacy for human rights has earned her international recognition. The nonprofit organization's advocacy efforts led to significant policy changes in education. Through social media advocacy, the campaign raised awareness about mental health issues. Common errors in use. Be cautious not to confuse advocacy with advocation. While advocacy is the noun form, advocation is not a standard word in English. Always use advocacy when referring to the act of supporting a cause. Additionally, avoid using advocacy as a verb. Instead, use the verb advocate, as in he advocates for stricter gun control laws. Mastering the use of advocacy in your IELTS exam can significantly enhance your lexical resource score. Remember, it's not just about knowing the definition, but also about using the word accurately and in appropriate context. Whether discussing social issues, political campaigns, or personal passions, advocacy is a powerful term that demonstrates your ability to engage with complex ideas and express them eloquently.